Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel Shane Pop John, and today we are installing these universal knuckle guards. These look really good on KTM and they also fit to other bikes. So today we are going to install these on my KTM Duke 250. So the things that we'll be needing for today is a screwdriver, 10 number key, and also a 5 Allen key. And with this we are getting 4 nut bolts, and this is the attachment that we'll use. These are 2 washers that I've got because on the accelerator side we have to fix this so that the accelerator doesn't get locked. So yeah, let's start. So over here, as you can see, the knuckle guards are all fixed and they're looking very awesome. The getup of the bike is looking really different and this black color is going really good. So yeah, I'll just call it a mission successful. Hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, you can tell me if you need any kind of modifications on this. And the next video will be about the Zana rack. So yeah, just stay tuned and do like, subscribe and share this video. Drive safe, ride safe and enjoy your life.